This is for the woman who knows deep in her soul that you were made for joy, love, and fulfillment. You were made to have it all: a love filled, thriving, intimate relationship, a rewarding career that generates you abundance of money and wealth and prosperity. You don't have to choose, you can have it all. You can be an amazing mother and a kick-ass, powerful, successful entrepreneur at the same time. This is for the woman who simply needs to be reminded that you are powerful, you are strong, you're confident, you're brilliant, you are sexy, you are charismatic, you are unstoppable, unshakable, unbreakable. You can do whatever you put your mind into. You can have it all. You don't have to choose. You are the source of all creation, and you are the most powerful force in the universe. And we often forget that. We often forget that. And when we forget that, we don't get to experience in our life everything that we desire. So how do we get to that place where we constantly remember when we embody our power, our strength, our sexuality, our charisma, all of our strength and power? I have a vision of a women's gathering where we get to connect on a deep soul level. We get to connect to the divine. We get to connect to our heart's desires, all those things that our hearts are yearning for. This is the gathering where we get to support and love each other, and we get to prop each other up for success, fulfillment, joy, love. This is where we get to talk about everything: our relationships, our motherhood, our children, our career, our work, balancing it all as though we are superwomen. We are superwomen. This is the weekend where we get to enjoy Mother Nature and spend some time outdoors enjoying the enchanted beauty of Taos, New Mexico. We get to do yoga, we get to dance and sing, and most importantly, we get to manifest our dream life. We get to create goals, we get to erase those limiting beliefs that prevent us from living the life of our dreams. So I invite you, if this message is speaking to you, if you are the woman who is ready for more, who is ready for that next level of joy, happiness, wealth, prosperity, power, creativity, everything, ecstatic joy and bliss, if this message is speaking to you, please join me for a weekend that I call a Women's Magic. It's a manifest magic and yoga retreat at my beloved Blue Sky Retreat Center in Taos, New Mexico. This is where my family lives. My mother will be cooking delicious homemade meals for us, prepared with so much love and care. This is literally my most favoriteest place on earth. This is where I feel like God lives, in Taos, New Mexico. And in the fall, it will be absolutely beautiful with the leaves changing. We get to do the sweat lodge ceremony. We get to do yoga. We get to meditate. We get to literally envision and create the life of our dreams. So please join me. Early bird registration ends on July 31st. The space is limited. My retreat center has 18 rooms, and I hope you will be able to join us and just luxuriate in all the love, support, and connection that we no doubt will create that weekend. Information is below. It's in my profile link. So register today, and I'll be sending you a lot of stuff, inspirational stuff, empowering stuff in the months leading up to the weekend. It's October 17th through the 20th, and it's in Taos, New Mexico, at my Blue Sky Retreat Center at the historic San Geronimo Lodge. Reach out with any questions. I hope to see you there. I hope to welcome you there, and I look forward to showering you with so much love.